Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Memory Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using a kit from SPC called Brie. This is for the week of April 27th through May 3rd. This is a mini kit and I did not purchase any of the extra labels, so this was quite a challenge for me to fill out and complete the spread. But I absolutely love the way this spread turned out. I used rose gold and I hardly ever use rose gold and I don't have a lot of rose gold. So that was also a challenge, but I think just using that foil made this kit so perfect. For the bougie boxes, I used the bougie boxes from SPC with whatever I had left over, and then with the remainder of the spread, I use the bougie boxes from Sticky Essentials because I didn't have enough. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this. I'm going to go ahead and get in the day by day in a second. But before I do, I want to mention that I really appreciate you guys, all these new subscribers I've been getting. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. You can also, I always forget to mention this at the end, so that's why I'm doing it now. You can follow me on Instagram too. I do post pictures of these spreads once they are up on my channel. So if you want to see some close-ups of the spread, make sure to follow me there. It is Erica Memory Plans. I also have it in my end slate, just so you guys can type it in because a lot of people spell my name incorrectly. So it is spelled out there for you, and it's always one of the first links in the description box below. But I think that is pretty much it, everything that I have for this portion, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into the day by day in just a second. Okay, so starting off on Monday, first thing I marked is that I did my voiceover. I used an icon from SPC and a voiceover script from Ice Cream Joe. And then down below that, I marked that it was time to shop because I bought so many stickers from so many new to me shops, and just shops I shop from all the time. So I marked that with a munchkin. And then I also have that haul already live if you want to see that, because this plan with me is so delayed. So if you want to see that haul, I think it's like my planner sticker quarantine shopping or something like that. But it's my latest haul that I have on there. So if you have not seen that, make sure to check it out. This day was also the day that we looked at houses. I mean, we physically did not look at houses. We have friends that already had lived in Arizona, and we asked them if they could go look at these 3 houses for us. And they did, which was very, very nice of them. And they just sent us videos of it, and we were able to choose the house that we wanted, but there is a plot twist, which I think is in this plan with me. So we ended up picking the house, and the house that we picked was a beautiful, beautiful house. It was fully upgraded, and it was it's really nice. But in the end, I am happy with what we got. But like I said, I will mention that once we get to it. Later on Monday, I also talked to someone about doing a collab, and so I wanted to mark that on there. And I'm not going to say who it's with yet, just because it's up in the air, and it's not for a while anyway, but I wanted to mark that in my planner. And then I also went on a walk, and I used a Fox and Pip Girl to mark that, and the walk script is from Station Stickers. Moving on into Tuesday. Tuesday I went on a Starbucks run, and so I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that, and a Starbucks run script from SPC. I also marked that with the munchkin that I got something. I think I was ordering, was it this day? No, I can't remember. I need to go back and look at my PP weeks, because that's where I put everything, I write everything in there so I can do these plan with me's. it was a $2 Tuesday from Letters to Apollo. So I marked that with a munchkin. And then underneath that, I marked that we celebrated. This was the day we went to my boyfriend's family's house to celebrate his birthday because we hadn't done that yet. So I used a munchkin with a cake and a celebrate scripts from Letters to Apollo. We also had some family time. I used that family time script from SPC and a heart that came with one of the Wiggles. And then down below that, I used a car icon from Right Brain Paper Co. to mark that we charged the Tesla this day. And then while we were charging, we walked over to Buffalo Wild Wings to go pick up some wings for dinner. The pickup script is from Letters to Apollo, and the Buffalo Wild Wings script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations. And then to end our night, like I've been mentioning in my previous plan with me, we played chess while we had dinner, which is like our new thing that we've been doing. And I love playing chess. It's just like such a good mind game, like to just get your brain going. So we try and play it as often as we can. Moving on into Wednesday, first thing I marked is that I got gas. I remember this day I was like running so low on gas, and I was like nervous if I was even going to make it back to work. So I had to get gas super early in the morning this day. I used an icon from one of the Wiggles and a get gas script from Kinsey's Creations. I also had a Plan With Me go live this day. The Plan With Me live is from Letters to Apollo, and then the TV icon is actually from Station Stickers from a super, super old sheet that I had from one of her kits I bought like years ago. I also had my car payment due this day. The bill due sticker is from Wild Summer Designs. It's a super old sticker that I've had for a while too. And then this was the day we applied for our house. The girl is from GP Studio. And then to end our night, of course, we ended it with a game night of playing chess. Moving on into Thursday. I did another Starbucks run, and I used a GP Studio sticker to mark that. And then Thursday, I'm putting down this label to mark something later that is private. So I just left it blank for the time being. And then on Thursday, I forgot to write this down. I've been doing that a lot lately, where I've been putting my stickers down and not like really filling it out correctly. So let's check what I did. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I used this emoji to mark that Emily from Emily Catherine Plans had her Instagram live, and I always mark when I watch it. Sorry if you can hear my dog. She's walking around, and I tried to put her to bed, but she apparently got up, and now she's walking around. But anyway, I watched that, so I marked that in my planner. We also went on a walk this day, and then I went on a Target run before coming home. And then we, like I said, went on a walk, and we walked to our favorite restaurant, which is our favorite Italian restaurant, I should say, called Paisano's down in Midtown Sacramento. The best Italian food ever. The Paisano's is a custom script from Kinsey's Creations, and then I used a spaghetti sticker from Fox and Cactus. We also got frozen yogurt this night for dessert, and I used another emoji, and then I used these two munchkins to mark that we had some cuddle time, and the cuddle time script is from Kinsey's Creations. Moving on into Friday. I did another Starbucks run. The Starbucks run script is from Ice Cream Joe, and then I used another icon from that sheet that I was talking about earlier from Station Stickers. That's a super old sheet. And then this was the day we got approved for our house. I am waiting for a sticker to come in, but I bought these like moving checklist stickers from Letters to Apollo, but I was looking at it and it doesn't there. I thought there was a script that said we got the house or something like that, but there's not. So I actually need to go back and write it in there. But the house sticker is from the Once More with Love. And then we also had Beach Hut Deli for dinner this day, and those sandwiches are from Papershire. It was also payday, and the payday script is from Cricket Paper Co. And then down underneath that, I marked that we started watching Tiger King We never finished it. We only watched the first 3 episodes and I was extremely bored. So I don't plan on finishing it, but that was the only day we watched it. And then I also was doing some research with my boyfriend. He was kind of teaching me a little bit of like about cryptocurrency and like Coinbase and all that. So I marked that down too. And our Friday night. Moving on into Saturday. Saturday, I used a phone that came with this moving sampler from Once More with Love to mark that we had to call the movers and some car shippers. We were going to have our cars shipped, but in the end, we ended up just driving ourselves. But we definitely had to get a hold of some movers and figure out that whole situation. And then I also had my morning coffee. My morning coffee script is from Station Stickers, and I used a dino from SPC. We also had some cheesesteaks this day, and they were amazing. We went to my boyfriend's parents' house, and his dad made them, and they were so good. And then this day, I also kind of just bit the bullet and bought some cryptocurrency because my boyfriend's like super into that, and honestly, I trust him with all that kind of stuff. So I spent a good amount of my money buying Bitcoin. I may get judged by that. I don't know if you guys know much about it or like what the deal is with like cryptocurrency at the time, like right now. So like think what you want, but I bought a good amount of it. And then I was also in my feelings this day, but it was like a good in my feelings. It was like a positive thing. And then I went to bed super early this day. Moving on into Sunday, I woke up early since I went to bed really early the previous night. The Wake Up Early script is from Right Brain Paper Co., and I love her handwriting so much. And then I used a Munchkin waking up early. I think that's the actual what the sheet is called. And then I used a Keurig icon from Right Brain Paper Co. to mark that I made a latte. And I was also in my head this day. I don't quite remember what was going on, but the in my head script is from Letters to Apollo, and I use a Happy Day a Girl to mark that. And then towards the end of Sunday, we ended up having Jack's, which is another thing I'm really sad about that there's no Jack's here in Arizona. I think it's just like a Northern California thing too. Jack's Urban Eats. If you guys have one near you, let me know. I haven't seen it anywhere else, but I could be completely wrong. So yeah. And then I ended up calling my dad this day, and I hadn't talked to him in a couple weeks. So actually that's a lie. My dad called me. He called me first. I did not call him. But I wanted to mark that we talked on the phone. I also watched How to Get Away with Murder because I was behind. I'm so sad it's like officially done. I still have not watched the last episode, and that's something I tend to do a lot, is not watch the last episode of a lot of series because I don't want it to be over, but I need to watch it. And then to end my Sunday, I filmed a Plan With Me. So yeah, so that completes this week's Plan With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.